Let's talk about how to start an old diesel engine. It can be a challenge to start an old diesel engine, especially if it has been back for some times, or you can use the word sleep for some times. When you park a diesel engine and it sleep for a longer time, maybe for months, 6 months, a year, or more than that, you notice that the engine lose compression. Is that not true? Yes, it is. The engine lost compression. Why? Because that the park not be running for longer period of time. So what should you do? It's not hard. You need to remove the injectors and put engine oil right in the injector. Then what will you do next? Subscribe to my channel. My name is Mr. Engine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the subscription button now, and let's go down to the details. When you have parked a diesel engine for a longer period, the tendency is always there that the engine must have lost compression. So if you want to start it, this is what you should do. You remove the injectors. Remove the injector. If it is 6-cylinder, 4-cylinder, 1-cylinder, the same procedure. Remove all the injectors of the 6-cylinder or 4-cylinder. Then put about 2 teaspoons of oil inside the hole of the injectors. Put it there. Then fix the injector back. Then try to rotate the engine manually first. Don't start it first. Try to rotate it manually. It will go to a point the compression will be so high. You try to force it, apply force, and try to rotate the engine manually. If you can rotate it manually, then that will tell you that your Kickstarter should be able to rotate it. But if you cannot rotate it manually, please don't try to use Kickstarter, because it might be also too strong or too hard for your Kickstarter to rotate. So I always make sure that I rotate it manually myself. In that process, the engine build compression. Then you try to use your Kickstarter to start. If you try it, it should start, no matter how long the engine has stayed on the ground. But what makes the engine to lose compression, that is what I'm going to discuss in another video. That is why I say subscribe to this channel. You will learn so much from this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Now, you have to check your fuel system, ensure that your fuel system is perfectly okay before you can think of going to make sure that the compression is okay. So as soon as the compression is okay, whether it's a single cylinder that you use manual starting, or you are using Kickstarter or other means to start it, the engine will surely start, because you are built by the compression. And if you notice that you do it the first time, you try to start, it doesn't start, follow the same procedure again. Remove the injectors, not injection pump, the injectors. Then put small little oil, like a 2 teaspoon inside a cylinder. Then fix back the injectors. Then rotate it manually. But as you are trying to rotate it manually, it got to a point it will be very difficult for you to try to rotate it manually. As you rotate it manually, you are building compression back to the engine. You are building compression. As soon as you build that compression, then start the engine. You will see your engine will start running again. In as much as the fuel system is okay before it was parked, then the engine will start running perfectly again. Don't forget to like, share my video. My name is Mr. Engine. Thank you for watching me. Watch the next video. I'll treat why old engine or engine that has slept for a long time lose compression. Why? That is what I'm going to discuss in my next video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.